to talk about something different today. I've always had a little bit of yellowing on my teeth, and I've used whiteners before, and of course like whitening toothpaste, like this is the one I'm using at the moment, which I just started like a week ago, so we'll see if that works too. And I took a picture of my teeth beforehand so we can compare, but I just bought this, so I thought I would just share my experience with you. 5 shades lighter in 7 days. So we're gonna see if this works. So follow me and we'll see what happens. I will monitor this over the next week and we'll let you know. It is a Dental Source White and Smile, and it comes with a teeth guard. And it says that, so this, apparently you have to charge it with light, so it can be sunlight or a light bulb. First I have to brush my teeth. I've always got these toothbrushes. They also Signal, and they've got like a rubber thing in the middle, and I really find like they help polish your teeth as well. Pre-treatment and the tooth whitening number 2, and then this is the teeth guard. So apparently I have to now charge this for 5 minutes. It says any light source. All right, there's a sponge on the end of this, and I'm supposed to just get enough of the liquid to come up. Silicone mold, like that. It's very flexible. And now I am going to put this number 2 thing.